In this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways to create a Google account. So I'll be using Chrome browser for this. Now I'm going to tap on it, and in the search bar, we'll type in account.google.com. Then you click on go. So this is the interface is going to open for you. Now I want you to pay attention. You are going to see this interface if you do not have any Google account on your phone, or if you signed out of your Google account, then this is the interface you're going to see. Then you go ahead to click on create. But if you already have a Google account, let me show you what you will see, because I signed out of all my Google accounts. So if you are signed into any Google account, I'm going to show you the things you're going to see and how to navigate from there. So if you already have a Google account in your phone and you type in account.google.com and click on go, you are going to be taken into that Google account you have. If they are up to 2, you are going to see the 2 Google accounts or the 3 of them. So what you have to do, click at the profile icon at the top right of the screen. This is for you if you have a Google account. When you tap on it, then you will see other Google accounts you have here. I have 2 Google accounts here, so you can click on add another account. If you cannot see add another account, you might see manage accounts on this device. Just tap on manage accounts on this device, then scroll down. You'll be able to see add another account. So we tap on add another account and we are going to be brought here. So whichever way you do it, you are still going to get yourself here. Now what you have to do is to click on create account, and then you're going to see for my personal use, for my child, for work or business. So you select any one you want, for whichever purpose you want it to be. So we can say for work or my business. If you want to create a YouTube channel, you can use for work or my business, or if it's for your business or anything, just choose the Google account you want. All right, so let's do for my personal use. Then enter your first name, and then your last name is optional. Click on next. Over here, you enter your month of birth, your day of birth, your year of birth, and your gender. You have to be truthful about the information you enter here. Then you tap on next. Next thing, you want to put a username. So you type in the username you want here. All right, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. Then next. So the username is available. Now you want to create a strong password. Put in your password here, confirm. All right, so here add recovery email, the address where Google can contact you if there is unusual activity. So you can add it next or skip. Okay, so let's just skip this. All right, then you can add your phone number here, and then you click on next. So you have to review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. So you can tap on next. So this is the email address. Tap on next. And this is it. Privacy terms and policy of Google. Just read through everything here. Scroll down and then you click on I agree. All right, so you are welcome here. This is where you now do the remaining setups that you want to do to your Google account. One method through which you can do this, all right, is doing this from the Gmail app, which is right here. If you have the Gmail app in your phone, then you can create a Google account from here. Now if you don't have a Google account, once you tap on this Gmail app, you are going to be asked to sign in. But if you already have a Google account, once you tap on the Gmail app, you're going to see your email. It's going to be in here. So if you already have a Google account and you come in and you see your email address like you just tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen like this, and then you're going to see add another account. Scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see add another account. Just tap on it and then you select Google, because we want to add a Google account. Just type on it and it's going to ask you, Google wants to use this Google account. Just tap on continue and it's going to bring you to this interface where it will ask you to sign in or you create an account. Right, so but then if you don't have a Google account already, once you tap on that Gmail app, it's going to bring you to this interface. All right, once you tap on the Gmail app, if you don't have a Google account yet, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you either put in a Gmail account that you already have to sign in, or you create a new Gmail account. Just tap on it the same way we did it, and you select for your personal use or for work or your business. So from this particular place, the option for child is not showing. All right, so these are the 2 ways you can do this. That is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.